Do you own a caravan? Is it all parked up due to the latest COVID restrictions? If so, this is the perfect video for you. Welcome to Caravans in Lockdown, a DIY mini-series on awesome little upgrades you can do to make sure your van is all dressed up with everywhere to go once lockdown restrictions ease. Today's do-it-yourself upgrade is how to add a stainless steel clothesline attachment to your awning. You only have to set it up once and it's good to go. Let's jump into the workshop and see just how easy it is. Alrighty, before we jump in, let's take a quick look at the tools you're going to need to get this job done. First things first, you're going to need a drill with a 4mm drill bit, a riveter of some sort, a rivet gun of some sort. You're going to want something to mark out your holes with, so you can use a pen, pencil, marker or something. 8mm spanner, a 3mm screwdriver or a hex key works. That's just to adjust the line itself. And you're going to want a ruler or tape measure of some sort. All right, let's jump into it. So first things first, let's start by rolling out the awning. Then you want to mark your first hole on the inside arm of your awning legs, about 90mm down from the barrel in the middle of the arm. Then you can go ahead and drill that hole out with your 4mm drill bit. Stick the saddle on with your rivet and rivet gun, and then align the bottom hole of the saddle to the middle of the arm. Drill that hole out, and you can stick a rivet in that one too. Now you got one saddle secured, repeat the process for the other side, and then we can go ahead and start removing the round clip on the clothesline itself and the pin. Then you can reinstall the pin and the clip through the saddle, walk the clothesline out to the other end. You may need to adjust the adjusting nut to get your length right for this one. And then you can remove the round clip and the pin again, and reinstall it through the saddle on the other side. To actually adjust the adjusting nut, you want to go ahead and take your 3mm hex key or screwdriver, stick it through this hole, and that'll allow you to spin it and adjust it. Now remember, you may need to back these nuts off to allow you to spin the adjusting nut freely. Once you get the tension that you need, keep your screwdriver or hex key in there. Then you want to grab your 8mm spanner. You want to wind these nuts back on all the way up so they're nice and tight against the adjusting nut itself. When they're both nice and tight, you won't be able to move that adjusting nut in the middle anymore, and your tension is set. And there you have it. You've just installed your very first stainless steel clothesline on your awning. Now you do have an option of adding a second line if you wish. If you are going to add a second line, add it about 60mm below the first line. Then you've got two clotheslines to work with, doubling your space to hang out your clothes.